All right, folks. In this video, our heroes need to prove that Levenshtein is valid. To start with, there's an optional exercise talking about validity in argument 3, which is totally optional. You don't have to prove it, though you will need to use it in your proof. Basically saying, look, if you have 3 valid edits from source to target, then you can use argument 3 to choose between them, and it doesn't matter, right? Like, look, you're going to return one of these 3, and if they're all valid, then the thing argument 3 chooses is valid, and it really doesn't matter. This is a pretty straightforward exercise to think about how argument 3 works. It's sort of basic case analysis. Not a huge deal to prove. If you want extra practice, I think it's worthwhile. The interesting, and I should say challenging thing here is Levenshtein valid, right? So the goal here is to prove that the Levenshtein function generates valid edits. Um, that's going to be complicated. There's like a lot of cases, and there's a let fix inner going on. These two things combined make the proof pretty tricky. So we've got some advice here. Use unfold fold. But the main thing you need here, the main thing that's going to help you get through this, is patient attention. You're going to get, if you type almost any tactic, you're going to get a screen full of noise from the from the from the inner work. And so the thing to do is to like, okay, can you zoom in on the front of your goal and sort of see where you are and identify what's going on? The more you can be patient around this, like give yourself a minute before you panic. Like it's fine to panic and go to Zoom, be like, I don't know what this is, what do I do next? But before you panic, take a careful look at it and see, do you at least know where you are? What is it trying to say? Which part is the recursive call and which part is the actual work being done? And what work do you have to do to show that what you're doing is valid? Um, I'm confident that y'all can get through this. I think that being courageous, not letting the big screen of text intimidate you, is the key skill here. It's a key skill throughout programming. You're going to get huge dumps of like, you're debugging a program, you get a huge dump of data, and you look and you're like, I don't know what any of this means. And the best way out is through, right? You just got to be patient, look at it, see if you can make some sense of it, learn to see the signal in the noise, and then sort of like zoom in on the bit that you particularly need. Okay, I'm confident you can do this. Good luck with it. It's a proof that really is going to integrate almost everything we've learned. Not quite, no inductive propositions here, but everything else. So sort of get ready to flex those muscles. All right, 2 more videos after this, and that's the whole day.